let's try and multiply some large numbers by 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so let's take first example. Let's take 213 multiplied by 11. Okay, so what I will do here is write this 2 as it is. Okay, write this 3 as it is when multiplying by 11. Okay, now what is 2 plus 1? 3. So write it over here. Okay, what I've done, 2 plus 1 is 3. And what is 1 plus 3? 4. Right? So 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is my answer. Understood what I did? When multiplying by 11, I just wrote first digit as it is here, last digit 3 as it is in last place, and then 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 plus 3 is 4. That's it. That's my answer. Okay, if you want, I will just write it for you. What I did is, okay, this is 11, right? So what I have done is 2 into 1 is 2, first number. Okay, then what I did is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then I did 1 plus 3, which is 4. Okay, and then last is 3 into 1 plus, there is nothing here. Okay, 0. So that is 3. Got it? Now let's take another example. 1 2 3 1 into 11. So what I will do is, first number I will write as it is. Okay, when multiply by this, so 1. So then next what I have to do is 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So what I did is 1 into 1 plus this 2. How much? 3. Then again, now this is done. Now let's go to 2. So 2 into 1 plus 3. What is it? What is it? 5. Then 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into it, this is 4. And then again, what is the last digit? 1. Again into 1 plus, there is nothing, okay, next to it. So 0. So this is 1. So what is the answer? You have to write answer this way. What is answer? 1 3 5 4 1. Okay, easy way to do this in mind. Okay, you don't have to do this. Just see. You have to write first number as it is and the last number as it is when divided by 11. Okay, then 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 plus 1 is 4. Just write those numbers in between. Don't have to do all these things. Okay, you can do this quickly in your mind. Now let's take third one. Let's divide number 213 by 12. Okay, so now what I'll do, first number write as it is. Now next is what? Now see, here it is not 11, it is 12. Okay, here it was 11, so it was easy for us, 1 1. But here it is 1 2. So what, you have to follow this procedure. Okay, now 2 into, I'll take this 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 into 2 plus 1. How much? 5. Then again, what is the next number? 1. So 1 into this 2 plus, what is the next number? 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Now again, what is this? 3. So 3 into 2 plus, anything is there next to 3? No. So 0. So 3 into 2 is what? 6. Okay. So this is our answer. So what is it? 2 5 5 6. Okay. You can do this in mind. Okay. You don't have to, if you know this how to do it, you can do this in mind. Okay. So what I did, first digit write as it is. Then this 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Then 1 into 2 is 2 plus 3. Again 5. Then last is 3 into 2 is 6 plus anything is there next? No, 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Just write down the answer. Let's take number 2131 into 12. What you will do? Write first digit as it is. Then 2 into this 2 plus what is the next digit? Plus 1. So 5. Now again 1. Next is 1. 1 into 2 plus what is the next digit? 3. So again what? 5. Then 3. 3 into 2 plus what is next? 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 1 into 2 plus anything is there next to 1? No, 0. 3. Okay, so you have to write it this way. You can do this in mind, okay? Don't have to do these things, okay? This just I am explaining you so that you can understand and then later solve it in your mind. So this is 2, 5, 5, 7, 2. Okay, now let's take, let's try to do it with 213 into 13. This is now 3. First digit write as it is, okay? As it is, right? Then next is was 2 into this 3 plus what is that? 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 1 into 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 into 3 plus anything is there next to 3? No, 0. So 9. So what is the answer? 2769. Next take 2131 into 13. What you will do? Write first digit as it is. Then next is 2 into 3 plus what is there? 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Next 1 into 3 plus next is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 into 3 plus what is there here? 1 plus 1. This is 3 into 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. See, remember, see now here we got 2 digit number, okay? Now next 1 into 3 plus what? Anything is there next? No. So this is 3. Now first what you have to do? Write this number. 2, 7, 6, 10, 3. Okay, here we got 2 digit number. So what I will have to do now? This is not our final answer. Okay, write 3. Then this 0. Now this 1. Okay, what we will do? Now what we will do is this 1 will be carried forward to this 6. Okay, so 1 plus 6 is 7. Again this 7 and this 2. So this is your final answer, 27703. Okay, what you have to do when you have this 2 digits you have to carry. Understood, no? Let's try 1. 1231 into 13. So first digit write as it is 1. Now what you will do? This is 3. So 1 into 3 plus 2. How much? 5. Next 2 into 3 plus next is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. Then 3 into 3 plus 1. How much? 10. See here we got 2 digit again. Okay, this is 2 digit. Now like next 1 into 3 plus anything is there? No. So 0. So 3. Now first write down the answer. 1, 5, 9, 10, 3. Okay. Now what we have to do here? Write 3 as it, 0 as it is. Now this one carry forward here. So 1 plus 9 is how much? 10. So write that 0 and you get 1. Then again carry forward it to 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. And then write 1. So this is your final answer. I hope you understood this trick to multiply by 11, 12 and 13. Okay. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates. Thank you.